Fyxer AI versus Superhuman versus Gmail. Which one is better? Now, Fyxer AI is an AI-powered productivity assistant for email that focuses on automating replies, summarizing threads, and prioritizing important messages. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it offers AI-powered efficiency. It is housing and prioritization. It helps you focus on critical messages. It has a time-saving features, and it also has a modern UI, which is great for busy professionals. Now the cons is though, it is a new platform, it is subscription-based, and it has less control compared to Gmail and other platforms. Now Superhuman, on the other hand, is a premium email client known for its blazing speed, advanced shortcuts, and clean interface. It's built for professionals who value productivity and time. Now for the pros and cons, it offers ultra-fast performance. It has a clean and minimal design. It offers productivity tools and like split inboxes, reminders, and read receipts. It also has personal onboarding, and it's great for power users. The cons is though, it can be expensive, and it is also an invite-only option, so you cannot download it without invitation. And there are no AI-first approach. Then lastly we have is Gmail. Gmail is Google's free widely used email service with billions of users worldwide. It integrates with the Google Workspace, the ecosystem, and provides reliable, cloud-based email for both individuals and businesses. Now for the pros and cons. It is completely free. It has a huge ecosystem. There are AI features built in. It is highly accessible, and it is trusted and reliable. The cons are though, there are some ads supported, so the free accounts may see targeted ads. It also has privacy concerns, and it is less premium, which not feel as premium and not as fast or distraction-free as Superhuman. So overall, choose Fixer AI if you want a modern AI-powered assistant, and choose Superhuman if you want a premium lightning-fast email client, and choose Gmail if you want a free, reliable, and fully integrated email service.